Hey guys, welcome to Chris Hacks Life. Today's topic is the Chase Freedom Flex. It's the newest card in Chase's credit card lineup, and it comes with a $200 sign-up bonus after you spend just $500 in 3 months. It's the newest card that I got, and I want to talk to you about the benefits that come along with this card. So if that sounds like something that you're interested in, be sure to stay tuned for this review. So if you're interested in learning more about personal finance topics or travel hacking, be sure to hit the subscribe button. It'll help the channel out and I would really appreciate it, and I want to help you achieve your goals financially and as far as traveling and seeing the world. Now, I generally try to get 1 or maybe 2 credit cards a year. That allows me to maximize my cash back as well as the travel points that I'm trying to earn so that I can get to places that I would otherwise not be able to get to. Another reason that I try to keep the credit card sign-up bonuses to about 2 a year is because of the Chase 524 rule, which basically means that you can't get more than 5 credit cards within a 24-month period and still expect to get approved for a credit card from Chase. I also try to get my wife a credit card or 2 every year so that we can double up our bonuses and get even further as far as vacations are concerned and as far as cash back is concerned. The last credit card that I signed up for was at the beginning of 2019. It was the Citi American Airlines Advantage card. I got it with a 60,000 mile bonus, and that's the last one that I got. I've been looking for the last few months because I was trying to get a little bit of cash back. I'm not sure about when we'll actually be able to travel very much with the current, pandemic going on. So I have kind of stayed back in the background as far as the credit card sign-up bonus game is concerned. My wife signed up for a Chase Freedom Unlimited earlier this year, and that's been pretty much about it. Well, in the last few weeks, Chase just announced that it was coming out with a brand new credit card product. That new product is the Chase Freedom Flex. It comes with some of the benefits that the Chase Freedom had, and it comes with even more. It's even better than the Chase Freedom Unlimited. So when I started to read about it, I became very intrigued. The first day that the Chase Freedom Flex was available to consumers was September the 15th. It was a Monday, and it was at that point that I decided to destroy the like button by giving this video a thumbs up. Well, actually, what I decided to do was apply for the card to see if I could get approved so I could get the extra bonus points as well as the benefits that come with the card. And right now, I have decided to unbox my new card as it came. I've decided to open the card right here, right now. I have here my Chase Freedom Flex envelope that came in the mail. You can see that it's pretty plain, and it is basically coming undercover so that other people won't be tempted to get my credit card. So let's open it up now. You can hear it tearing, so you know that it's new. And I'm not going to actually hold it up immediately because I don't want you to see my credit card numbers, but it's in here. There's no way I'm going to show you the credit card numbers on my new card, but I will show you that I have here a Chase Freedom Flex card. Hopefully you can see that in the video. This Chase Freedom Flex card, as I said, comes with a $200 bonus after spending just $500 over the first 3 months. That $200 bonus could be transferred over to my Chase Sapphire Preferred card, and it'd be worth 20,000 Ultimate Rewards points. Now, if you're wondering about the makeup of the card, it's not one of those heavy metal cards like the Chase Sapphire Preferred or the Chase Sapphire Reserve. It's one of the old school plastic cards, but it works. So what exactly are the benefits you'll get with the Chase Freedom Flex card? Number 1, primarily you'll get the $200 bonus after spending the $500. Number 2, you're going to get 5% cash back on every dollar you spend at grocery stores over the next 12 months if you get approved. Now, that's limited to $1,000 per month or $12,000 in the year, but that could be up to 60,000 extra Ultimate Rewards points or $600 in addition to the $200 sign-up bonus. Other benefits that you'll get if you decide to book your travel through the Chase Travel Portal, you'll get 5% cash back on that. You'll get 3 points or 3% cash back on every dollar that you spend at restaurants every day, all the time, and 3% cash back on anything that you spend at drugstores. Finally, you'll get 1 point for every other dollar that you spend in any category. But wait, there's more. On every dollar that you spend in certain quarterly rotating categories, you'll get 5% cash back on those as well, up to $500 per month or $1,500 over the course of the quarter. For the fourth quarter of 2020, you'll get that on any Walmart purchases you make. So in addition to getting 5% cash back at grocery stores like Safeway or Kroger, you'll also get 5% cash back at Walmart if you're buying your groceries there. That's a really great perk. Other quarters have been known to have 5% cash back at restaurants, big box retailers like Sam's or Costco, or gas stations. So it's really worth the bonus and the benefits that you'll get. This all comes with no annual fee, so there is no charge to holding the card or continuing to hold it into the future. So it's a no-brainer. However, I would urge you, if you've not already gotten it, to get the Chase Sapphire Preferred or the Chase Sapphire Reserve, because you'll have added flexibility of transferring your points from the Chase Freedom Flex over to various travel partners like Hyatt, Marriott, United Airlines, Southwest, or Air France. So there you have it. The Chase Freedom Flex is a great card that you should apply for if you're looking to get ahead in the cashback or travel hacking games. Hopefully you found this video enjoyable and entertaining and educational. If so, be sure to drop us a like. Be sure to hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so that you'll be able to know when the next video comes online. So until next time, this has been Chris Hacks Life. Have a great day.